Morning, my obscure riders. Today we'll be dealing with a wild animal. Nope, not that one. Talking about TVR. I would like to get through some ABCs on a car, acquire a battery for Carisma. Maybe go through some more letters on the alphabet and get as far as S and P. I know it's not an easy task, but I would still like to open one up at least to see what we got in there and see if I can source one from a local parts store as well. Let's see how it goes. To gain your access to the battery, you need to get rid of the F1 panel and unbolt your intake cover. By doing that, you will gain access to throttle bodies, would be able to view and inspect your wires for spark plugs and your headers. Now, with enough space, we can unbolt a positive terminal on a battery, slide the battery out, and remove the ground. Based on the sticker, battery is long overdue. Let me take it to the store anyways, test it out, and see if I can find something similar in size and with identical terminal positions. Thinnest and narrowest 5/8 socket will take care of your spark plug. I got the easiest one out just to take a look. Technician did confirm the dead battery, so it was time to get crafty. The only battery in the store they had that was matching the size, the terminal position, the cranking ups was Econocraft, and the spark plugs came from Ford by Motorcraft. Key fob battery was ordered on Amazon, and it was the hardest part of installation because of the small screws and my gigantic hands. Rest of the process was a breeze. All the batteries are in. That fits perfect. That fits perfect in there. Let's test it out real quick. And start. Oh yeah. So I'm not gonna change the spark plugs today. Reason behind it, I do have a laptop with a TVR software on it. I wanted to plug that thing in and see what information it provides. Then change the spark plugs and see what changed. But I don't have a charger for this. I'm on the lookout for this charger, and as soon as I get it, we'll do those. Alright, we're done here for today. See you next time.